Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony, and right now I'm at Watson Lake in Prescott, Arizona. I'm here with Amanda and Philo.
What's up?
I wonder if that was even in focus. Let's see, probably. Maybe not.
Probably one of us, but not both.
It's a cool backdrop. So we're gonna fly the drones. It's like really hot today. So we escaped Phoenix. It was 116 degrees. Out here it's like 100 degrees. So we escaped 16 degrees. So Amanda is gonna attempt a hand launch.
First hand launch.
I've showed her kind of what to do, but
Okay, I'm a little confused about holding both of them at once.
so make sure, you turn it on. I usually, when I do it, I hold my controller to my chest like this.
Oh, and then just swipe down?
And either swipe down or, that motion that you can do with both joysticks, I'll do that. Basically, once the props are on, I just throttle up and let the drone go up about 6 feet.
Okay, mine's set to 4 feet. I think that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, fingers below the line. We good?
Yeah, we're looking good.
Okay, it's up there. Here we go.
Here we go. Haha, that's awesome. Good job. And my drone is right there. You can see it next to Amanda. Yeah. Philo.
Mr. Philo. What's up, pup?
Here's what's happening on my screen. As you can see, there's the lake. All right, guys, I'm putting my camera down. So this is where we launched from. Basically, it was like this rock next to this other rock. And it was a nice spot where we could get shade and also have a nice view of the lake to keep the drone within our visual line of sight. As you can see, the lake looks kind of low. Some of the rocks, you can tell where the water line usually sits. Although Amanda did say the lake is usually low, which isn't surprising. I mean, this is the desert. And the water was like this interesting green color. You're not allowed to swim in the lake, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But this shot was really cool because I got that boat and that RC boat and myself on that rock as I pulled back. So that was a really cool shot to get. And the landscape just looks crazy. Like, it's something that you don't see in other parts of the state, I feel. I mean, you get this nice mixture of green with these really awesome rock formations that is different than Sedona, where I usually have been posting from lately. As you can see here, the rocks are just like really different here in Prescott. So I really enjoyed flying at this location. Watson Lake is a very beautiful place to check out if you're ever in the area. Now, as far as flying here goes, you do need LANC approval, and I would recommend getting it beforehand because when we got there, cell phone service was spotty. So it's best to prepare before you go and get that approval. For those of you that don't know what LANC approval is, you do need LANC approval to fly in certain areas of the country. Specifically, the United States is what I'm talking about. And it is very easy to get with apps like AirMap or Kitty Hawk. I know that when Amanda flew here last time without me, she had some people that gave her problems, but I just wanted everyone to know that we had the proper approval to fly here. So the next location we went to, I unfortunately didn't vlog, and I'm not going to make that mistake next time because I think making vlogs is actually a lot of fun. But Amanda and I drove up into the mountains of Prescott where there is forest and pulled over on a little pull-off and launched the drones from there. We did check AirMap and this area was clear to fly in. And it was the perfect time of day because it was sunset. So we were able to get some really nice colors. Now, in this shot right here, I was just tracking cars, and this was shortly after the sunset. But the next few clips, you're going to see the golden hour lighting up the trees. By the way, if you're ever going to track vehicles, you need to be in a sparsely populated area, which means like not houses, not a lot of people, which this area was, so that was okay. And like I said, this is forest that you just don't see in the desert. And when you go up to higher elevations in Arizona, you get a lot of pine trees and just a lot of greenery, which is really nice to see, especially when you're so used to living in a desert with cacti and desert, you know, animals and desert life. I mean, this is different. I'm from New York, so it was really nice to see this landscape. And you can see the mountains there. They're all lit up in this like golden color. It's just amazing. There you go, right there. That's the golden hour. The trees have a little bit of gold on them. That mountain is glowing. I mean, it's my favorite time of day to shoot because the colors are just everywhere. And in my opinion, you get the best shots during golden hour or sunrise. Here's another shot. As you can see, the mountains in the background there. But you can see the golden horizon there. It's just amazing. And then as I come back down, you can just see the colors are just like really popping out. And this clip was edited. I do color correction, so it does look really nice because of that as well. Hey guys, so we are back from Prescott. I'm still here with Amanda, and I'm here with Philo. Aww. And so we got really good shots today, as you guys can see. We got out of Phoenix and escaped the heat.
We checked out the town, got some dinner, and then we did some sunset shots over the forest.
And so Amanda and I are actually planning a trip to Flagstaff and probably Sedona, and we're gonna create an awesome vlog, so definitely stay tuned. You know, we're so lucky to live in this awesome state, and we have so many places to explore. So thank you guys for coming along. If you liked the video, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up because it helps rank higher in the algorithm. And that is it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.